Energy-efficient windows. Birmingham home window installation and residential window replacement. Birmingham deliver immediate value for homeowners seeking improved home insulation, heat loss reduction windows, and weatherproof window frames. From replacement windows in Birmingham neighborhoods to Birmingham suburban window replacement services, a targeted house window renovation can include window frame replacement, modern replacement sash, and custom-fit home windows for older and newer properties alike. Window replacement contractors. Birmingham often recommend high-performance glazing, energy-saving glass options, and UV-blocking windows to boost comfort while supporting aesthetic window upgrades. For energy-efficient residential windows in Birmingham, the right plan improves performance across every season. Energy-efficient windows. Birmingham, Alabama are a smart choice for homeowners comparing Birmingham double-pane replacement windows, Birmingham triple-pane window upgrades, and Birmingham insulated window installation. These options support drafty window replacement, condensation-resistant windows, sound-reducing windows, and low-E glass windows for better indoor comfort and lower utility costs. Birmingham premium energy-efficient window systems, including insulated window units and thermal window upgrades, are ideal for homes needing residential glazing solutions with stronger efficiency. Many Birmingham home insulation window upgrades also feature vinyl replacement windows, giving lasting durability and low maintenance performance for long-term savings. Birmingham vinyl replacement windows, Birmingham low-E glass windows, and Birmingham energy-saving home windows are popular for homeowners wanting both style and performance. Whether the project involves Birmingham window frame replacement service, Birmingham custom replacement windows, or Birmingham house window retrofit, the goal is cleaner lines, better sealing, and stronger resistance to heat, noise, and moisture. Energy-efficient windows. Birmingham homeowners choose can also support a more sustainable property, alongside Birmingham, Alabama residential glazing and eco-friendly windows. Birmingham AL, while enhancing curb appeal. For homeowners seeking window installers near Birmingham, Alabama, selecting quality materials and precise installation makes a measurable difference. Residential window replacement. Energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, and low-E glass windows all play a role in modern Birmingham upgrades. Birmingham drafty window installation replacement and Birmingham thermal window replacement services help reduce air leakage, while Birmingham soundproof replacement windows improve quiet indoors. Residential window replacement. Birmingham is especially effective when paired with weather-resistant window solutions, energy-efficient residential windows in Birmingham, and improved home insulation. For lasting results, choose Birmingham aluminum, no, vinyl, custom-fit home windows, high-performance glazing, and energy-efficient windows. Birmingham for a balanced blend of comfort, durability, and value. Birmingham home window installation delivers immediate value for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. Birmingham, Alabama, especially when upgrading older openings with modern replacement sash, insulated window units, and weatherproof window frames. A properly planned home window retrofit can reduce drafts, improve comfort, and support improved home insulation across every season. For properties in the city and surrounding areas, residential window replacement. Birmingham options are available for homes needing custom-fit home windows, high-performance glazing, and energy-saving glass options designed for long-term performance. Birmingham triple-pane window upgrades are ideal for homeowners who want maximum heat loss reduction windows and superior sound-reducing windows. Triple-pane systems, combined with low-E glass windows and condensation-resistant windows, help maintain a more stable indoor environment while reducing outside noise and improving overall efficiency. In neighborhoods where traffic, weather, and temperature swings are common, Birmingham soundproof replacement windows and Birmingham weather-resistant window solutions can make a major difference in daily comfort and utility savings. Birmingham vinyl replacement windows remain one of the most popular choices for residential window replacement because they offer durability, low maintenance, and strong insulation performance. Vinyl replacement windows paired with thermal window upgrades and weatherproof window frames can improve the thermal envelope of a home while supporting aesthetic window upgrades that match both traditional and modern architecture. Homeowners searching for Birmingham premium energy-efficient window systems often choose vinyl for its balance of cost-effectiveness, performance, and long-term reliability. Birmingham double-pane replacement windows are a practical solution for homeowners dealing with drafty window replacement needs, especially in older homes with aging frames and worn seals. Double-pane windows create an insulating airspace that supports heat loss reduction windows and helps lower energy use throughout the year. When installed by experienced window installers near Birmingham, Alabama, these residential glazing solutions can enhance comfort, reduce condensation, and improve home efficiency without sacrificing curb appeal. Birmingham low-E glass windows are a smart option for homeowners focused on UV blocking windows, improved solar control, and better indoor temperature management. Low-E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, making them a strong choice for energy-saving glass options in Alabama homes. For properties needing Birmingham, Alabama residential glazing, low-E glass can be combined with insulated window units and custom replacement windows to create a high-performance system that supports both comfort and savings. Residential window replacement Birmingham projects often include window frame replacement service for homes with damaged, warped, or inefficient frames. New frames are essential for preserving structural integrity, preventing air leaks, and ensuring that double-pane windows or triple-pane windows perform as intended. Whether the goal is Birmingham house window retrofit or Birmingham home insulation window upgrades, frame replacement can be a crucial step in achieving dependable results and long-term energy savings. Birmingham drafty window installation replacement is often the fastest path to better indoor comfort for homes experiencing air infiltration, uneven room temperatures, or rising utility bills. By replacing worn windows with energy-efficient residential windows in Birmingham, homeowners can eliminate cold spots and reduce HVAC strain. Window installation performed with precision ensures that thermal window replacement services deliver consistent results across the entire house, from front-facing living rooms to upper-level bedrooms. Eco-friendly windows Birmingham, Alabama are increasingly in demand among homeowners who want sustainable upgrades without compromising performance or style. Energy-efficient windows Birmingham, Alabama, including insulated window units and high-performance glazing, support lower energy consumption and reduced environmental impact. For those planning a house window renovation, these options offer a practical way to combine green building goals with Birmingham custom replacement windows tailored to the home's size, shape, and architectural character. Replacement windows in Birmingham neighborhoods must account for local conditions, home styles, and neighborhood-specific needs, which is why Birmingham suburban window replacement services are often customized to match each property. From older homes near downtown to newer developments on the outskirts, window replacement contractors Birmingham provide solutions such as Birmingham insulated window installation, residential window replacement, and custom-fit home windows. These upgrades help improve comfort, enhance efficiency, and deliver a polished exterior appearance. Birmingham energy-saving home windows are a strong investment for homeowners looking to improve home value while reducing monthly energy costs. Energy-efficient windows. Birmingham homeowners installed today often include modern residential window replacement options such as sound-reducing windows, condensation-resistant windows, and UV-blocking windows that work together to create a more efficient living space. With Birmingham window frame replacement service and expert window installation, homeowners can enjoy improved home insulation, better indoor climate control, and lasting performance across every room.